Akhil from Crazy Crest. This video brings to you the top 5 world's best 5th generation fighter jets. I was so excited while going through many articles. Then I felt like let me share with all my friends because it's so amazing to know about these big machines. In the modern day warfare, the country with the most advanced weaponry holds an upper edge. While there are many destructive weapons that can be used against the enemies like the nuclear submarines to modern day naval aircraft carriers, none could match the sheer speed of a fighter jet.
A fighter aircraft or a fighter jet, as it is often referred as, is a fixed-wing aircraft designed for air-to-air combat and is one of the most widely used form of firepower used by any country. A fighter jet is used to dominate the battlefield and can change the course of a fight.
While a lot depends on the skill of the pilot, the machine plays the most crucial role. A fighter jet can act as a bomber, interceptor, heavy fighter, and night fighter. The modern day 21st century fighter jets are called the 5th generation jets and are far superior than any other generation of fighter jets. Until a decade ago, there were 2 US-made 5th generation aircraft existed in the world. They were equivalent of unreachable technology for other countries. In 2020, it became clear that at least 6 more countries have begun or are beginning to develop and manufacture 5th generation aircrafts. So, here comes the top 5 world's best 5th generation fighter jets. Number 5. Shenyang FC-31. Country of origin, China. Chinese, Shenyang FC-31 first took off on October 31, 2012, and the first Chinese J-20 stealth fighter was officially adopted by the Air Force of People's Liberation Army of China in 2017. Then from this period, there is no information about J-31 and did not appear again. Experts suggested that the J-31 was originally a stillborn project, a kind of expensive public relations campaign designed to demonstrate the scientific and technical potential of the aircraft developer Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. Top speed 2,200 km per hour. Unit cost $70 million. They built 2 prototypes so far. Number 4. Chengdu J-20. Country of origin, China. China made Chengdu J-20, which is a 5th generation single-seat twin-engine stealth fighter jet, manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. The jet is made for the People's Liberation Army, Air Force, and has been on the active duty since 2017. The aircraft can hold a mix of beyond visual range air-to-air and short-range missiles, air-to-surface missiles, laser-guided bombs, and anti-radiation missiles. The aircraft has a longer range, more internal fuel, and a larger weapons capacity than the US F-22 and F-35 fighters, the designers say. The J-20 can reach high altitudes and supersonic speeds. The J-20 will be armed with internal cannon for close-range combat missions, cost between $30 to $15 million. Number 3. Sukhoi Su-57. Country of origin, Russia. Competing against a duo of US-made 5th generation fighter jets is the Russia-made Sukhoi Su-57, which is the country's first 5th generation fighter jet. The Su-57 is a single-seat, twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by Sukhoi, the same company that makes Su-30 MKI for India. The aircraft can defend all types of ground, air and surface targets of the enemy and can carry short-range air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, short and medium-range guided and unguided weapons, and aerial bombs in 250 kg, 500 kg and 1500 kg classes. It costs $42 million. Number 2. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. Country of origin, the United States of America. F-35 Lightning II is widely regarded as one of the most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. It is the only international 5th generation multi-role fighter plane in the world, which means unlike F-22 Raptor that cannot be exported. The F-35 Lightning II can be used by air force of other countries like Turkey and Japan. The current bios of this fighter jet that can do vertical takeoff and landing, much like helicopters. The single-seat fighter is armed with a range of weapon systems such as Sidewinder and Storm Shadow, etc. It costs approx 70 to 100 million US dollars. Number 1. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Country of origin, the United States of America. Yet another Lockheed Martin's creation. The F-22 Raptor is the oldest and the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing for the US Air Force. The fighter jet is not for sale to other countries and it was inducted by the US Air Force in 2005. The F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine, 5th generation, extremely advanced tactical fighter known for its stealth, integrated avionics, superior performance and super maneuverability. The F-22 Raptor defines air dominance. The 5th generation F-22's unique combination of stealth, speed, agility and situational awareness combined with lethal long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry makes it the best air dominance fighter in the world. That's all folks. Hope this information was useful and knowledgeable. Stay tuned for more such videos. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazy Chris. Thank you for watching.